Despite the gloomy and rainy skies this morning, I still made it out to the Wairoa River bridge at Te Puna to film 3 trains, although I was only intending to get 2. But before I even got there, I ended up hearing the phenomenal Dire Straits song Wild West End on the radio. And at 9:44 AM, not even 5 minutes after I arrived, we see KiwiRail's DL 9285 passing by with container train MP3, a service that started in Auckland. I didn't have anywhere near enough time to set up the tripod for this shot. At this point, the chicken you saw in the bottom left corner earlier was now standing right next to me, and the damn thing actually pecked at my foot while I was still filming this train. Fortunately, it didn't leave a cut, although now I want KFC for dinner. The trains into and out of Tauranga are still running as normal, as they were not affected by the recent derailment of train 220 down near Rata on the main trunk line. I hope the driver is alright, and that KiwiRail are working hard to get the track back in operation again. They pulled it off with rebuilding the line near Kaikoura after the earthquake, so surely they can rebuild the main trunk after a derailment. Not long after MP3, at 10:13 AM, we now see DL 9452 crossing the Wairoa River with train 482. This is a 6 days a week service from Mount Maunganui to Kinleith, and it runs every day except Sundays. Further upriver, without referencing tugs, there's a popular adventure park called Waimarino. I've only been there once, and if memory serves, it was actually a school trip back in 2013 when I was in year 8. Going back to train 482 here, I noticed she was slowing down while going into the crossing loop. You'll see why in just a moment. Also, train 482 is not to be confused with the Class 482 electric trains that run on the Waterloo and City line, although they're now designated as London Underground 1992 stock. And at 10:26 AM, here comes the last locomotive of the 3 that I filmed today. This is DL 9550 with train 321, a Hamilton to Tauranga service. Also, train 321 is not to be confused with the Class 321, which is an electric multiple unit that runs in England. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for more train spotting videos coming soon, or whenever I have the time to go out and film them. And if anyone's interested, I'll be going to the Gisborne City Vintage Railway on December 27, followed by a visit to Glenbrook on December 30.